What is up, everybody? What's good? What's up? It doesn't have to be the most extraordinary shot or a situation every time. It's just the documenting process. And I've been obsessed with the documenting process because if we take it into our own kind of context, we can make a lot with it. I'm always a sucker for a location like this. I want somebody to do like something crazy, like somebody playing like a saxophone. I wake up early every single day, 7 o'clock in the morning, 6 o'clock in the morning. I have like nightmares. I hear my dad tell me like, Steven, wake up! Kind of like to just observe all the kind of like other things that are around me too that kind of help pass the time. So, oh, shit! Came too fast! Give you no sign. Like, when I first get into a situation, I try to like observe like how grand or how minimal the situation is. You have this life situation going on, you have these kind of people here. Then once you kind of check off all the things that you can do and you can't do mentally, I then get really comfortable and try to figure out what I can do within that space. You circle your prey a little bit and then just kind of see like a good point of attack and then you start attacking. I just want that one person walking into the light. I just need one. Hello? Gotcha. Like everything in my life is like a game to me to kind of figure out and scheme situations where this is the most relatable situation in the most unrelatable place. Oh, look at the exchange, look at that. Look at that. The 8-bally. 8-bally. You playing games? You playing games? I'm out of here. Scram. I always found myself gravitating towards the moments of like these Shakespearean themes of like timelessness, of like everybody knows what it feels like to do like these normal day-to-day things. Report sneakers are on the wire. And there are some Jordans. If you know anything about me, you know that I have too many pairs of sneakers. That's tight, that's tight. Did you put them there? I know you did. See, he's trying to be funny. That's why he put his dirty sneakers up there. It's random, it's genuine, it's difficult. All those kind of weird like tricks of life and like, dark humor moments. The street photography is riddled with things like that. There's a dad walking with his daughter on his shoulders in the midst of all this traffic. I used to look at family photos and I used to remember being that child on my pop's shoulders or hanging out with my mom or on the couch. So like being able to catch this father with his daughter is just one of those dope things that makes it feel real. And I empathize with that 300%.